Hey everyone, I'm Jacob. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel, and I'm here.
That and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
तो यार ये लाइट नहीं I have two light sources in my room. Hey everyone, I'm Jacob. Welcome to my channel, and I'm back with another video, which is me trying bullet journaling for the first time. In short, BUZO, Buzo. Now the reason for bullet journaling, like why there is so much hype for bullet journaling, मैं क्यों ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ या मुझे क्यों इतना ऑब्सेशन है बुलेट जर्नलिंग वीडियो से या लोग क्यों करते हैं. सो दीज आर द 4 main points about bullet journaling. First is therapeutic. It serves as a therapy for you, which is really good. Second thing is organized रहती चीज़ें, and which is really good. Third thing is everything is at one place. There is no hassle if you want to find something, कुछ देखना है, and if you want to look for some ideas, आपने कहीं लिखा हो, now you don't remember, so everything is at one place, which is another good point of Buzo. Fourth thing is that it makes you feel the CEO of your own life. You can schedule your everything, like अपना खुद का schedule बना सकते हो, timetable with your own consent. By yourself you can make your own schedule, which is really good. So these are the 4 main important things about Buzo, which makes it really good. Now, as for me, I want to try everything, like start everything from scratch, totally raw. वैसे Buzo specifically for doing bullet journaling, notebooks आती हैं, you can get one from Amazon, and there are some specific stationery, but in my opinion they are not needed. If you are able to do things like make the layout and draw and do some art by some normal pens and sketches, that's enough. I think normally pen sketches or colors enough hai, but if you want to try, so you can go for those specific stationaries. And notebook की बात करें बुलेट जर्नलिंग के लिए, सो नोटबुक्स दे आर मोस्टली इन ऑफ वाइट, जो कि मैंने बुक्स में देखे हैं, मैंने अमेज़ॉन पे सर्च किया था, एंड दे हैव स्मॉल डॉट जहाँ पे आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, लेआउट कर सकते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग. बट आई रियली वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, ताकि मुझे जो ग्रोथ है, आई कैन जस्ट फील द ग्रोथ. आई विल बी हैप्पी बाय वॉचिंग द ग्रोथ. मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल बाय वन, बट दिस टाइम जो कि ये पूरा मैंने स्क्रैच से बनाया, लाइक द बुक, लाइक द पेजेस मैंने सब खुद क्रिएट किए, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. It's not something which is aesthetically pleasing, like I have made few mistakes. It's not the perfect Puzo, but I think it's good enough for me. And now if we talk about the things which we can mention in our bullet journaling, क्या क्या चीज़ें हम अपने बुलेट जर्नलिंग में मेंशन कर सकते हैं, ये टोटली आप पे डिपेंड करता है. वेल, it goes from personal to professional, like personal चीज़ें, professionally like career related चीज़ें, और your college or school or some study related things, किसी भी चीज़ का layout बना सकते हैं. And you can also make monthly layout or weekly layout, and you have very busy schedule, so you can make day by day layout. But I think monthly and weekly they are best for my opinion, but it all depends on you, because जो भी चीज़ें आपको अपने मेंशन करनी है बूज़ो में, इट्स ऑल पर्सनल चॉइस, इट्स ओन इंडिविजुअल चॉइस. काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं, बट मैंने से वही चीज़ें मेंशन करी अपने बूज़ो में, जो कि मुझे लगा कि दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. सो या, विदाउट एनी मोर चटपटर, बहुत ज़्यादा बातें कर ली मैंने. Let's get directly into the video.
So hello, and this is the first page जहाँ मैंने कुछ भी किया हुआ है, डूडलिंग, इधर उधर से लाइन खींची है और कुछ नहीं. Now here I am making my monthly calendar for my bullet journaling. So let's do a quick overview. This is the first page. I love the quote which says, "New year, new me, same dreams and fresh starts." Now this is the profile and everybody knows what an index for. So yeah, that's for the same purpose. Next page जो है it is dedicated to birthdays. If you want, so do let me know your birth date in my comment section. And ये पेज पूरा मैंने सेविंग्स के लिए रखा है. थ्रू आउट द ईयर जो भी मेरी सेविंग्स होंगी वो मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन करूँगी. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पेज विच इज़ माई पीरियड ट्रैकर. एंड ये जो पेज है इट इज़ फॉर माई रैंडम डूडलिंग. लाइक मेरे को ऐसे ही डूडल करने का मन करता है, सो आई कैन यूज़ दिस. एंड फॉर दिस नेक्स्ट पेज, अगर मुझे कुछ कोड समझ में आते लाइक सम मोटिवेशनल एंड सैसी कोड्स समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो आई कैन राइट ओवर हियर. एंड फॉर दिस पेज विच इज़ हिडन, it's for things to do before turning 25 which I can't show, kind of personal. and बाकी के जो पेजेस हैं ये जस्ट ऐਵੇਂ ही है, मतलब अगर मुझे कुछ आइडियाज़ आते हैं सो मैं इनमें फिलअप कर सकती हूँ, तो इसलिए मैंने 3 पेजेस एम्प्टी रखे हैं. ये पेज मेरे पूरे जनवरी का लेआउट है. यहाँ मैंने विंटर से रिलेटेड काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें ड्रॉ करी, जैसे कि कॉफ़ी, ग्लव्स, कैप्स, क्यूट सा स्नोमैन, शैम्पेन and the trees. I really love this quote, which is, "There are far better things ahead than any we ever leave behind." So मैंने सोचा it will be really perfect to start the year. Now the upcoming page is my monthly layout. I was debating कि मैं एक पेज पे करूँ या 2 पेज पे, but I think this much is enough. and जो भी empty space है मैं उनको doodling या quote से आगे fill करूँगी. And here I really love this doodling which I had done. This one, the mountain and the night sky, and above there is my monthly goal plan. And for the next page I had my expense tracking for the month. And if you don't know, I'm a huge fan of K-drama, so I had also dedicated a small space for that, a small note section for myself, my cute Olaf, and also a mood tracker. Here I have made 5 moods and उन सबको different colors से मैंने किया हुआ है ताकि मैं मेंशन कर सकूँ कौन से डेट पे कैसा मूड था with different colors. And now for the rest of the pages, they will keep on filling as the month will come. And अगर मुझे कुछ और चीज़ें भी ऐड करनी होंगी in between, so I will add that. So yeah, that's all for my buzo, that is bullet journaling.
So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you really enjoyed this. So do let me know in my comment section if you're thinking of trying bullet journaling, and if you are already doing bullet journaling, so do also let me know in my comment section and tell me any more ideas for my layouts. Like I have said, I have few empty pages like this one. Where is that? Yeah, I have 3 empty pages like this and this, 3 pages. So if you have any idea for me to fill up on those pages, so do let me know in my comment section, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. As I have said in my last video that subscribing is really important. It really matters a lot to me if you guys can subscribe and share my video and like them, because it really helped me grow. It will motivate me to make more content and upload them as frequent on my channel. And my goal for this January, till the end of this January 2021, I want to have at least 150 subscribers, which is my goal. And I think it's not too much, and only you guys can make it happen. So I will be really happy if you will keep on subscribing to my channel. So that's all, and take care of yourself, stay safe. I will meet you guys in my next video. So bye bye.